children, I will tell you the names जिनकी copies मेरे पास आ गई है. Last class के बाद I will tell you the names. All right. After the last class, I'll call out your names and I'll tell you whose copies I have received. And there are many children whose work is incomplete in English language. Some children have done language work in the literature copy, literature work in the language copy. Please make sure you are doing your work in the correct copies. I had already given you the instructions in the beginning of the year. I gave you the numbers to put on the copies, everything. Some children have not put numbers also. Please make sure you put the numbers. Yes?
What is page number?
Manjeet, page number 13. Alright, join your hands, close your eyes, all of you. Riya, say the prayer. Stand up, all of you. Stand up, children. All stand. Join your hands, close your eyes.
Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Thank you, Riya. Good morning, children. Please be seated. A very good morning to all of you. Now we are going to do the book Practice and More, page number 13. Page number 13. Christopher. Good morning, Christopher. Practice and More books, page number 13. All of you ready? Give me a thumbs up. Alright. Now naming words we have already done. Let me see who will quickly tell me the definition of a naming word. Nouns. Aram? Let's hear it from you.
A noun is a person.
Yes.
Animal or thing.
Okay, noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. It is a naming word. Very good. Now, this exercise you have to pick out the naming words and you also have to pick out the describing words. Describing words are also known as adjectives and they are the words that describe something. For example, a heavy box. Alright, a heavy box. A beautiful dress. Yes, a big balloon. So big, beautiful. All these are describing words. They describe the naming words. They tell us more about the naming words. Right? So we are going to pick out from the words given here the naming words and the describing words. Nipun, good morning. Some children are joining very late. Good morning, Vinayak. Page number 13, Practice and More book. Page number 13, Practice and More book. Exercise A says, write these words in the correct box. The naming words and the describing words. For those children who just joined, I'm just telling them, describing words are those words that describe the naming words. They tell us something more about the naming word. For example, box. Box is a naming word. And if we add heavy to that word box, that becomes heavy box. So heavy is the describing word which is describing the box. Box कैसा है? Heavy है. Beautiful dress. Dress कैसी है? Beautiful है. Board at the back. Can you see the board behind me? Green board. How is the board? The board is green. Right? So words which describe naming words are called describing words, or another word for that is adjectives. Adjectives. Right? Now we are going to pick up the words and write in the two columns. Naming words and describing words. I'm going to write them on the board. I'm going to write them on the board and you're going to write them very neatly in your books. Now before I write them on the board, let me hear it from you. First word in that box is heavy. Heavy. Heavy is a naming word or a describing word. Who can tell me? Yes, Arav?
Describing word.
Describing word. Very good. I just gave you an example. A heavy box. Okay. Next word is moon. Next word is moon. So moon is a naming word or a describing word. Moon किसी चीज का नाम है, नाम दिया गया है किसी चीज को और it's a describing word. Now who is going to tell me that?
Naming word.
Shivansh, please learn to be disciplined in the class. Otherwise, I will have to remove you from the meeting. I have told you, you know the answer, you raise your hand. You have to raise your hand if you know the answer. Learn to be disciplined in the class. Shubh, you also have to be disciplined. If you know the answer, raise your hand. I can see your hand. Raise your hand. Think. सोच कर आंसर अगर आता है तो हाथ उठाइए. All right, Vaishnavi, yes, you're raising your hand. Moon. Yes, Vaishnavi. Naming word. Okay, moon is a naming word. Good. Next word over there is building. Building. Now, if you know the answer, raise your hand. Building is a naming word or a describing word. Tell me. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Pradeep?
Naming word.
Naming word. Okay, building is a naming word. Good. Next word is
Good morning,
beautiful.
ma'am.
Good morning, Prashasti. You are late for class, child. Inaya, you are also late. Inaya, you are also late, child. Please try to be on time for class. Take out your practice and more book. Page number 13. Put today's date over there. 5/8/2021. Alright, beautiful. Next word, beautiful. If you know the answer, raise your hand. It's a describing word or a naming word. Okay, Shubh. Yes, Shubh.
Naming word.
Beautiful. I gave you an example. A beautiful dress. किसी चीज के बारे में बता रहा है, ड्रेस के बारे में कि ड्रेस कैसी है, ब्यूटीफुल है.
Describing word.
Nipun, don't answer out of turn.
Describing word.
Describing word, Shubh, because it is telling you that something is beautiful. Alright? Beautiful is a describing word. Next, blue. Next word is blue. Next word is blue. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Yes, Sakina? Yes, Sakina? Describing word. Okay, see, I gave you an example, no? Green board. So, green is the describing word for the board. Blue, it's a describing word. Now, the last word over there is Alia. Alia. Yes, Hayat? Hayat?
Naming word.
Alia is a naming word. Very good. Now I'm going to quickly write the words on the board. Please see from there and copy those words very neatly. see the board? First, I am writing the naming words. Alright, I am writing the naming words first. On the first line, write moon. Next, building. You just told me these words. And Alia. Copy the spellings correctly, children. And neatly. Make sure you're doing your work very neatly, all of you. I saw the copies. You've done your work very neatly. Continue the same. Shivansh, you have to do cursive writing, child.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And remember M, how you have to write. Some children are writing M in the wrong way. Please make sure M has two loops. Some children are making only one loop in M. I saw your copies.
मैम मेरे
Yes.
पेज नंबर पे 30 पे मैम मेरे पेज नंबर 30 पे ज्योमेट्री है
1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Ayat Fatima Rizvi, we are on page number 1, 3, 13.
ओके मैम
Practice and more book, page number 1, 3, 13. When you finish writing these three words, give me a thumbs up. Manjeet has finished. Vaishnavi, Rishita, Astha, Aradhya, Ishanvi, Inaya, Pranjali is also finished. Pranjali, next time जब आपकी copies आएंगी तो clear bag में आएंगी. Please remember that. अगर copies आप ऐसे loose देकर जाएंगे खो जाएंगी copies. Some children have sent their copies in plastic bags. प्लास्टिक बैग में भी नहीं भेजना है. बैग से कॉपीज लूज होकर ऐसे गिर सकती हैं. मैंने बताया था क्लियर बैग में रखना है, उसको बंद करना है. उसी तरह से मुझे नेक्स्ट टाइम कॉपीज आनी चाहिए. जिन लोगों ने इस बार अपना आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट का फोल्डर में भेजा है वो भी उसमें भी रख के नहीं भेजेंगे. उसमें भी कॉपी स्लिप होकर गिर जाएंगी. प्लीज पुट देम प्रॉपर्ली इन अ क्लियर बैग. जिसने जिसने खरीद लिया है वो एक और खरीदेगा. सो दैट 7th को जब आप आएंगे, 7th को जब पेरेंट्स कॉपी कलेक्ट करने आएंगे दूसरी कॉपीज उसमें लाएंगे और ये वाला फोल्डर हम उनको रिटर्न कर देंगे. Alright, please give your books properly in a systematic way. Alright, everybody is finished with this? Now the next column, describing words. Now as you just told me, the describing words are heavy, yes, beautiful, beautiful and blue.
मैम हिंदी और सोशल स्टडीज की कॉपी एक ही बैग में भेजनी है.
Yes. All right. Have you written these words? Heavy, beautiful, blue. The describing words. All of you finished? All right. Now tell me, do you know the magic words? There are some magic words, children. Do you know the magic words? If yes, raise your hand. Does anyone know what are magic words? Yes, Aradhya? Aradhya, answer child, you raise your hand. Yes? No? Okay. Let's see who else is raising their hands. Shivansh, yes? Yes, Shivansh? Shivansh, do you know any of the magic words?
Yes, ma'am.
Then please answer, don't look around. जल्दी से बोलिए बेटे, जल्दी से.
Ma'am,
Okay.
focus, focus.
Okay, Hayat, yes? Hayat, you were raising your hand.
मैम ये है क्या? Sorry, please excuse me.
Okay, good, good. That's right, Hayat. Hayat says, sorry, please excuse me. She's named 3 magic words. Very good. Children, these words are known as magic words. Omansh, you are also raising your hand. Let me hear you. Omansh.
Thank you, please and sorry.
Thank you, please, and sorry. Okay, very good. So you know the magic words. Sorry, please, thank you, excuse me, welcome. These are all the magic words. You know why they are called magic words? When you talk to somebody, children, and you make use of these magic words, then they create magic. किसी से जब आप बात करते हैं ना, ये मैजिक वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं, तो आपकी जो लैंग्वेज है
मैम
वो और अच्छी हो जाती है. यस आराध्या?
ये तो गोल्डन वर्ड है.
Yes, golden words or magic words, same thing. Okay, because when you are using these words, they create magic. That's why they are called magic also. अगर आपको किसी से कोई चीज़ मांगनी है और आप सपोजिंग आपको किसी फ्रेंड से पेंसिल चाहिए क्लास में, आप बोलते हैं उससे मुझे पेंसिल दे दो, और दूसरा बच्चा जिसको पेंसिल चाहिए वो बोलता है कैन यू प्लीज़ गिव मी अ पेंसिल. एक बच्चे ने बोला मुझे पेंसिल दे दो, गिव मी अ पेंसिल. दूसरे बच्चे ने बोला कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी अ पेंसिल. ही इज यूज द वर्ड प्लीज. तो दोनों में से फर्स्ट वाला सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है या सेकेंड वाला? विच वन, द फर्स्ट वन और द सेकेंड वन? शो मी विथ योर फिंगर्स. यस, द सेकेंड वन. शुभ को फर्स्ट वाला अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे पेंसिल दे दो, गिव मी अ पेंसिल. यस शुभ? नो, दैट्स नॉट राइट. वी ऑल लाइक टू हियर नाइस थिंग्स. जब कोई आपसे प्यार से अच्छे से बात करता है तो सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. सो द सेकेंड वन, कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी अ पेंसिल. सो वो प्यार से आपको एक पेंसिल दे देगा. जब आप गुस्से में मांगेंगे मुझे एक पेंसिल दे दो, गिव मी अ पेंसिल, कोई नहीं देगा. अगर होगी तो भी नहीं देगा. दे विल गेट एंग्री. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर मैजिक वर्ड्स क्रिएट मैजिक. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, you have to fill in the magic words in the conversation that is given below. Let's read the words first. Please, sorry, thank you, welcome. Please, sorry, thank you, welcome. 4 words are given. And it says, Alia, hello Babu, I have got some sweets for you. Now, there are 2 children in the conversation, Alia and Babu. Hassan says straight. There are 2 children in the conversation, Alia and Babu. Alia says, hello Babu, I have got some sweets for you. And then what Babu will say? What will Babu say? Ayat Haider? Ayat Haider, there's a blank over there. Ayat Haider, जब कोई कुछ देता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. So please write in that blank, thank you. Oh wait, don't write it just now. You will take time. I'll post the spellings correctly. Neatly you will write it. Let's do it verbally. Next, you are dash. Oh, you are dash. जब कोई थैंक यू बोलता है तो उसके आंसर में हम बोलते हैं वेलकम. हम बोलते हैं वेलकम. Pranjali, you don't have to write anything just now. Don't write anything. Listen. All of you listen. Don't write anything. I'll send you the picture. Then it says, oh, I forgot to bring my bat. Can I borrow yours, please? Can I borrow yours, please? Now they are going to play and Alia says, I forgot to bring my bat. Babu says, sure. Then Alia says, do you have a ball, Babu? I forgot to bring a ball. Now she says, I am sorry. I am sorry, I forgot to bring the ball. Then बाबू ने सॉरी बोल दिया, वो बॉल नहीं लाया था. And Alia says, can I borrow your bat? So they are going to play cricket. Then Alia says, never mind, let us play hide and seek. They were planning to play cricket, but since they don't have, do you have a ball? Alia ने बाबू से पूछा, do you have a ball? Then Babu said, I forgot to bring. I forgot to bring. I am sorry. वो भूल गया था. Then Alia says, okay, I have an idea. We'll play hide and seek. Hide and seek is a game, children. You must have played in your with your cousins or your friends. You must have played hide and seek. So he says, Alia says, never mind. Let us play hide and seek. Babu says, yes, that will be fun. Babu says, yes, that will be fun. So please, sorry, thank you, welcome. These are the 4 magic words that you have learned today on this page. Make sure you learn up these spellings. Very important. Riya, spell please. Spell please, Riya.
Yes, ma'am.
Spell please.
Please.
Okay,
Please.
very good.
Thank you.
Arav, spell welcome. Arav Moria, spell welcome.
Well, W-E-L, come, C-O-M-E, come, welcome.
बुक से देख के नहीं बोलना था, अपने आप बताना था.
Sorry, ma'am.
You have to learn it up. Okay? Alright, I'll take your attendance in the next period. I'll be taking your attendance in the next period. So take your break just now. We'll meet again in the next period. You can be ready with your social studies copy in the next
Thank you,
period.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,